phenomenon of secularism and its understanding, Part 7. The radical phase of secularism. This phase emerged in the late 18th century and the dawn of the 19th century. It was the result of the third phase of secularism and the teachings and doctrines that it had produced. In this stage, belief in religion and its influence on life and society was entirely dismissed, with a strong focus and reliance on materialism and the worship of matter. According to this phase, materialism and the material world took the place of religion. This stage can clearly be observed in the philosophies of Georg Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel and Karl Marx. Friedrich Hegel was an atheist and irreligious thinker. He believed in the law of contradiction and considered it essential for human progress and development. His student, Karl Marx, was deeply influenced by his thought but took it further by placing matter at the core of existence. While Hegel considered matter as a result of human thought, Marx regarded it as the foundation of humanity and the world. He based everything on it and viewed religion as a destructive force for nations and a hindrance to progress and advancement. From Marx's perspective, matter is the basis of everything, and economic relations are the factors that determine the nature of social and intellectual life. Thus, human history must be interpreted through this materialist lens. According to him, all historical conflicts, political movements, and even religious or intellectual developments are rooted in material causes. With their theories and their dissemination throughout Western society, these two thinkers completely removed religion from decision-making processes and from influencing governments and individuals. They outright denied any kind of belief in the spiritual or the metaphysical. In truth, this form of secularism was nothing less than sheer atheism and open disbelief. They considered materialism and worldly pursuits to be the foundation of all types of scientific and civil advancement.